Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. In celebrating 45 years, Reggae Ambassadors Third World had the launch event of their anticipated album dubbed More Work to Be Done last night at the Bob Marley Museum in Kingston. The album is produced by multi-Grammy award-winning artist and producer Damon Junagong Marley and features an array of artists, which includes Chronic's Taurus Riley, Busy Signal, Pressure Busspipe, Tassan Shin and Damon Marley himself, courtesy of Ghetto Youths International. The launch event saw industry players, fans, and fellow reggae acts out in their numbers at the event. Patrons are also treated to an exclusive listening of the tracks on the album.
Let him be praised continually. Keep you locked in my sound. Glory to Jah, let him be praised.
The album features songs such as Third World Keeps Turning, Loving You Is Easy, Feel Good, and Sheep in the Meadows. The album is available on CD, cassette tape, and vinyl. Third World member Cat Core shared the creative process behind the album.
The creative process was one of a combination between ourselves and Damien, and that bore fruit through our experience over the years and his new energy, his amazing talent.
One of the songs that stand out more to me, I think it's the collab with Junior Gang. Yeah, I really feel I want still. I like the vibe, I like the energy in the one.
Overall, the music, the songs selections and the topics is so good.
The six-member band made their debut traveling in 1975 as the opening act for the Bob Marley and the Wailers World Tour. Since then, the group has pioneered the genre with an extensive catalogue of charted hits. The album marks the 22nd album for the reggae band. Lila Ike taking Europe by storm. Upcoming reggae artist Lila Ike is now promoting the video for her new track, Where I'm Coming From. The song has been getting rave reviews since being released on June 14 by Indignation Collective Easy Star Records. The video shows Lila at her first home in Kingston to her hometown in the countryside of Manchester. Lila takes the viewers on a vibrant walk through her stomping grounds in Jamaica with friends and family along the way. The video also features cameo from star-studded cast like dancehall act Ching Ching and Grammy-nominated reggae star Protege. Lila Ike's Where I'm Coming From tour kicked off on July 25 in Belgium and will conclude today at the Rotterdam Sunsplash in Spain. The tour also saw Lila performing in Germany, Austria, and Switzerland. That's it for the weekend edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.